Hello. Today we're going to talk about pretty cats. Ow, get off my tail, please. Get off my tail. Ouch! Jeez. I talk about pretty cats. There's Flora is a pretty cat. And Flora, pretty cat. Now, I'm going to tell you what we're going to talk about. Pretty cats and how to keep pretty cats pretty. Pretty beauty tips for the pretty cat. Oh. Ouch! Got rid of her. Now, one thing to take care of a pretty cat is to brush their teeth. Teeth are very important for pretty cats like Flora. I'll show you how you brush a cat's teeth. We talk about brush teeth. Some kitties do not like to have their teeth brushed. So, I'll show you how Flora gets her teeth brushed. Right, Flora? First, we take a toothbrush and we try to brush the kitty's teeth. Let's try again. Ouch! Ouch! Jesus, stop that, Flora. Flora, let's brush your teeth. Ah, excellent. You do it. You do it, Flora. Brush your teeth. See, this works. And she bites on the toothbrush. Yeah. She's brushing her teeth. Much easier. Let's get the other side. We'll do that one next time.